Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So last video we have seen how overdraft loan will work. Now how we can top up loan in overdraft. So just have a look. So if I search loan number 47, here you can see if I go to the transaction, here you can see loan is given as a 1 lakh by cash. Now let's say customer is asking more money again in this loan. We can do that. We can do that. So let's say you need to search the customer here. That customer F-13. F-13. Now this customer, you can go to the edit option and from the income option, you need to set the loan limit. So let's say loan limit is from 10,000 to 5 lakh. 10,000 to 5 lakh is the loan limit. Now let's search loan again. If dash, sorry, the loan number 47, and here, okay, I will add one setting. So let's add one setting of shows loan search in tabular format. So you can easily see the loan details. So I will search loan 47. Okay, now you can see all the details coming in front. So you can see here transaction is of 1 lakh. Now customer is asking for top up. So how we can do the top up? We need to go to the payment option and let's say customer is asking 50,000 again. So you can enter the 50,000 and date. You can select the date on which date the customer is asking. So let's say this loan is old, so let's say today's date he's asking for 50,000. So you can mention here and pay to, you need to click here pay to borrower. So here we need to select the payment mode. So I will just delete this payment again and to select here payment mode. So I will select cash and pay to the borrower. So 50,000 paid. Now I can refresh this loan 47. You can see here the principal is increased to 1,50,000. And if I go to the transaction, here also you can see 1 lakh first disbursed on 5th Jan. Now on 5th June, 50,000 is disbursed. So total principal is become 1,50,000. And in installment tracker also, all effects will apply. So here also you can see 1,50,000 and remaining whatever principal is already paid adjusted, you can see here the deduction after deduction total 1,47,84 is principal remaining. So like this in overdraft loan you can easily top up the loan and you can easily manage loan here, but you can receive every month interest only. You can't receive interest in advance. You need to receive that month interest only. If you receive first February month interest, then next month interest you need to receive on March month. Like this it will work. Hope you understood this concept. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.